Alright, we're going to take shorts here on AKAM. 27.09 feel on that one. A little bit wary because it sort of bounced around at the lower yesterday's range, and coming up to some other support on this chart as well. But so far the other indicators off the chart are saying it's a good trade. This is eBay, trades on Nasdaq. Let me go short. Okay, got fill there at 28.16, dropped off quite quick there. Back on eBay, going to close out after this round 28. 28.02, got a fill on that, so what's that giving us? Just a quick $70 in the bank. It's just nice to take your bank out and loosen the old stop off. Now you've got some money in the bank, but don't need to worry about it, do you? Watching NVIDIA, NVDA on Nasdaq. I've done an awful lot this morning. Gapped down a little bit, it's well within yesterday's range. It has started to drop off, making a nice old triangle pattern there. Okay, going to take a short here, short from 27.23 on NVIDIA. Okay, this is RIM Research in Motion, the folks that make BlackBerry. Just taking a short there, 93.41. Not an easy share to trade this one, this does move around a lot, it's quite a high price share, very volatile, loss of volume. Spread has a tendency to open up sometimes and all. Get it right, you can make a lot of money very quickly. Get it wrong, you can lose your shirt. But anyway, hopefully we'll have got this one right. So we're short from 93.31, 1,000 shares on the RIM. Okay, RIM dropping off nicely. I want to look to cover after this while we've got some money in the bank. Okay, just covered off at 92.97, which has put $220 in the bank, and feel happy about letting that run down. As I say, this can be very volatile, move around very quickly. It is looking good to continue the short, but always good to get a little bit of cash in the bank. Okay, so back on NVIDIA, short here from 27.23, if you remember. We cover after this off here. Okay, build at 26.64 to put just under $300 in the bank on that one. Okay, back on eBay, still short 500. Going to close out the rest of this up here. It's just not doing it. Everything else is dropping. eBay's having a bit of trouble there, so took just a little $35 on the rest of that. Back on AKAM, this one's been up and down a bit. Going to cover off of this position here. It is dropping, but it's having a bit of trouble at this area, so I didn't want to take half off. Alright, 26.63 is off on that, giving us 230, and we're still short 500 from back up here somewhere. Okay, back on AKAM, going to cover the rest of that. Got a fill there, 26.92, which gave us a little $85 on that one. NVIDIA, this is going up and all, so time to cover the rest of that. Just got a fill at 26.86, $185 on the second half there. Going to have to cover the second half of RIM up here. Didn't take much on that in the end, did we? Out there at 93.32. So we're just a little $45 on the second half of that one. That came back up quite quickly there. All the signs were it was going to carry on a bit further downwards, but there you go, market turned around quick. So go wrong, we never let our profit turn into a loss. So out with a little $45 profit, which is not brilliant, but better than a kick in the tooth. Back on AKAM, this is another one we traded earlier, and looking at possibly taking a short on here again. There's a lot of signs building up here that this is going to drop again. Not necessarily as far as it did the first time, but that's okay. I mean, if we can take a bit of that move, then it's all money in the bank. So just keeping a close eye on it here. It's waiting, it's on the brink. It's either going to do nothing at all, or it's going to drop nicely. Alright, that's looking good. Got a short there at 26.81. Okay, so I'm going to close out this second bite of AKAM. Come out of there at 26.65, so a quick $160 on the second bite of that one. Alright, so it's your summary then. Things going sideways now, up coming up to lunchtime, so time to call it a day. So eBay, we had $70 there on the first half of that one. RIM 220, Nvidia 295. eBay finished off that one with only 35. AKAM took 230 and then 85. Nvidia we finished for 185. RIM another 45, and then that last little AKAM short for a quick 160, giving us a total of $1,325 for about an hour and a half work, which is pretty disappointing again. It's been a pretty easy day, to be honest, and there's been a loaded choice, almost too much to trade actually, so skipping around all over the place, missed a few entries, and could have done better, to be honest, but still $1,325 better than kicking the teeth, as we always say. So I hope that's been useful to you. Sorry, there haven't been a lot of videos for a while. Been spending some time as customers on my day trading freedom course will know, doing some special members only videos, and also doing the second edition of the course, which is now available on the website. And thanks to everyone what's written with feedback about that. It's been some brilliant feedback on there. Obviously, anyone that's bought a course in the past got the upgrade to the second edition and the members videos free of charge. That's the way it works. And yeah, it's been some great feedback. Great to hear that that's been useful for you. So now that's done, hopefully you should have some time to do some more of these videos on YouTube for you. Alright, speak to you soon.